Hello everyone! Are you really busy and have no time to take regular courses? Do you find commuting to physical classes exhausting? Are you broke and cannot afford to take classes? Looking for a comprehensive course which is also free of charge? If you find working with 3D software packages difficult and confusing, if you find learning such software packages daunting, if you do not have access to your instructor everywhere and every time to solve your problems or answer your questions, if you're a designer and sick and tired of working with 3D modelers and they fail to deliver your designs as you approve of them, you have come to the right place. My name is Max T, a graphic and architectural teacher and 3D designer. I used to have the same obsessions and challenges, but through hard work and practice, I came up with special approaches to overcome the problems. Having taught thousands of students over 2 decades, which was absolutely enjoyable, here I am to share my knowledge and practice for free. Now, if you want to take the opportunity and learn drawing once and for all, to effortlessly draw your designs and ideas yourself using complex 3D software packages, enter different marketplaces and multiple your income, join us. Don't forget to like us, subscribe in our channel and hit the bell sign so that you will be notified upon any new video release. I can't wait to see you join my virtual classes.